Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. I'm going to do the preventive maintenance on my HUMMER, and at this moment I'm going to clean up my air filter. And this video can serve you if you want to replace your air filter or your air filter is defective and you wanted to change it in any way. And this is very easy to do it. I'm going to share with you step by step. So please watch the video. This is the air filter assembly. This one has two screws, one here and one on other side of this filter. It's right here. Drill, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. You lose it, you pull it up, it comes up. This is very easy to take it out. Pull this one up a little bit and you take it out from this groove. And this is a channel right here. This is the groove channel that fits right into there. So once you take it out, then you just pull this one and you go on the side, then you pull it again and just wiggle it a couple times like this. And then once you do that, it will come out. It will slide out. Has a groove channel and this one on the side. This one goes in here and this one, the back side goes here and it seals it. This is the air filter. So you push this one back. Wow, look at this. So much dirt in there. This is all the dirt. It sucks the air from here and it comes here and then goes from here. All the dirt is get trapped into this one. It filters it and then it flows the clean air on this side. It goes to mass flow sensor. So all those kind of accumulated over the time. So it's a good idea. This is preventive maintenance. How to check your air filter is clogged up. You clean it and you replace it with the new one. So this is how it's really easy that you change your air filter or you clean your air filter. Now in order to put it back, you put the filter back again. So you place the filter back and then you push this one in. So it sits right underneath. And as for the cover, it's the same thing. You place it on the cover on the top and then we're going to slide it like this. Once you slide it, then you come back and then you drop it on top like this. Once you drop it on top and see, it fits right in there. And then you just tighten these two screws. Tighten it and tighten the other side as well. So not too over tight. And that's it. So that's how simple and easy to clean our air filter intake. And as you seen, there was a lot of dirt was there because it breathes in and it gets accumulated. So it's a good idea to do it cleaning on a routinely basis. I would say, and depending on the location, like in my location, if you look at that, all the trees around here, so it's a lot of depending on the scenario. If you're living there is not enough trees, then your HUMMER won't be breathing those leaves. But in this case, small leaves goes inside and they get accumulated, and then it can cause a problem to mass airflow sensor. So it's a good idea to clean it. So that's how easy to do it. And I hope this video is going to help you out. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps. Thank you and bye-bye.